Alright guys, we are at our first install back from Christmas break. Running the laser on the cabinets, and if you look from the left to right, the cabinets, they're raising up quite a bit from left to right. We'll say a good 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. And from front to back, I think the front is quite a bit higher than the back, which I'll bring my small level in and we'll take a look at that. I don't remember if I said it correctly, but you can see the front is much higher than the back. Yeah, I did say it correctly because I said it's going to be sitting like that. So, see it there. Let's see that. Kind of what we got going on there. So we'll have to do some shim. See what we got here. Definitely got some major issues. Alright guys, I've been working on these cabinets for the last 45 minutes, I guess. And it wasn't easy to get this seam leveled out here. But I've done it. And I've got it pretty level in the level there. It gets backsplash, so I can't have no bridges or humps underneath there. So we should be pretty good. It's not my house. But as you can see here,
actually they're doing all the work.
Shimmons going.
She's getting new countertops.
Go on. Let's see what we got.
Merry Christmas. Did you have a good one?
Right, we've got the seam setting up over here. It's about dry. You can see the epoxy here. It's definitely oatmeal plus. Dave is putting a perimeter bead on the outside of the sink. We weren't able to do it before we pulled it up, so we had to set it on the wood. It's just the whole situation with this sink. But anyways, we're going to do it from the outside. We've put some U-mounts underneath. And of course it's sitting on the wood on 3 sides underneath the cabinet. You can see I went with kind of a white and buff color to match this preliminary color here. And then of course we'll camouflage it up with some of our gray and black to kind of make it invisible. Like I said, we shimmed these cabinets up, or shim the tops up from the cabinets as best we can, and then of course we'll go in here with silicone and try to fill in any gaps as well to give it as much strength as possible. The customer's wanting 4 holes in the sink, and I'm going to try to talk them out of it because there's just not a lot of room there. I'm going to recommend they do like a 1 hole or something, because there's just, the cabinets aren't perfect, and there's just not a lot of room, and I'm just afraid putting 4 holes, there's not going to be any support. Alright guys, we're getting ready to drill these faucet holes. I just spoke with the customer, super nice lady, and I recommend it, going with like a 1 hole, 2 at most. She had a 4 hole. She said she didn't use the sprayer, so we're just going to go with the 3. Got it laid out as best we can. We're going to go ahead and drill them. We're just going to keep it cool, use water if it gets hot. David's going to use the vacuum and just take our time and do what we do.